Why would you ever need to record the screen on your phone? So here's a scenario. You're a real estate agent and you're selling the home of an older couple who is downsizing. And this older couple isn't very tech savvy, but you want to teach them how to use the Showing Time app so they can review and accept showings as they get requested by potential buyers. How do you quickly teach them how to use the app so you don't have to text and call them about every single showing request? Or if you work for a large brokerage that has their own proprietary app and you'd like to encourage all of your potential customers to use the app, how can you quickly explain the benefits to the buyer of downloading and signing up? Yep, you guessed it. Make a video by recording your screen and walk them through the process. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do just that right. All right, let me show you exactly how easy it is to record your screen on your phone. And the coolest part about this is that you don't have to download a single app. Now, I'm on an iPhone, but I'm pretty sure Android can do the exact same thing. I'm gonna head over to my settings here, and I'm gonna scroll down to my control center, and I'm gonna say Customize Controls. And as I scroll down here, you're gonna see this little option here, screen recording. Just hit the little plus icon next to that. That's gonna pop it up to the top and it's gonna add it into the controls in your control center. Go back to your home screen and then just swipe up from the bottom and you'll notice this little extra button here, this little dot button here, that is the screen recording option. When you tap it, you get a countdown. And then your screen starts to record. And the coolest part about this is that it records the audio at the same time, so you can actually talk over this and walk someone through the process of doing something on their phone, whether it's using a particular app or helping anybody do anything. You can actually record that process on your phone. So then when you get out of this, you'll notice there's this red bar at the top that lets you know that your screen is currently recording. When you're done recording, you just tap the red bar, hit stop, and that particular video now is saved in your photos. So you can head over to your photos and there's the video. We just recorded this. It's got the audio of us talking over it. You can then trim it here, obviously in the Photos app. You can send it to a different video editor so you can do anything else, or you could just completely share it directly from here in a text message or an email. It literally couldn't be easier to record a video of your screen to help somebody and walk somebody through the process of doing something on their phone. And one more thing, are you interested in getting your potential customers to know, like, and trust you without ever having to meet them face to face? If so, you should be putting out regular video content on all of your social media accounts. And we can teach you everything you need to know to do just that. Check out bizvideoschool.com and join our online community where we walk you through the process of using simple videos to generate ongoing business for your business. Until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next tip.